You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 13 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 19x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 13 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 13 over 3.